Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, and in today's video I'm showing you how to show you are playing Roblox on Discord mobile with a clear and simple method anyone can follow. This guide will help you display your Roblox activity on your Discord profile. Now let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Discord mobile app, making sure you are fully logged into your account so all the options load correctly. This is important because your account settings must be accessible before you can turn on activity display. Step 2. Once the app opens, look toward the bottom menu and tap the small profile icon. This icon leads directly to your personal profile section where your details and activity settings are located, and it is the main area where most visibility options can be changed. Step 3. Inside your profile page, tap on the settings icon at the top to open the full settings menu, then scroll down until you find privacy and safety. Inside this section, look for the option called display current activity as status and toggle it on. This feature allows Discord to automatically show the app or game you are currently using, including Roblox, so your friends can see it. Step 4. But if you do not see the privacy and safety menu on your device, you can use another method. Go back to your profile page and open the add status option. In the status box, type a message like the Roblox game you are playing, set the duration for how long you want it to appear, and then save the status. This manual method lets you show that you are playing Roblox even if automatic activity display is not available on your device. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.